If you're a visual learner, I highly recommend creating vision boards. Maybe it's every year, maybe it's every season, or just when you feel like you need to revamp your life and add new goals to your journey. My favorite thing about vision boards is that you can literally have this blank canvas and add all the goals and the visions and the ideas that you have for yourself on that board, and you are seeing it and also using your subconscious mind to believe it. If you're looking to start a vision board, or you've been doing vision boards in the past and you haven't felt the fulfillment that you're looking for, here's some tips for you on how to accomplish them. So a vision board is really just your blank canvas on how you see your life going, or the goals that you're looking to create. A lot of times my vision boards come from just scrapbooking, kind of just looking through different pages of magazines or articles and just finding the things that really connect with me and connect to the goals I'm looking to accomplish. I'll take those and I'll put them on the vision board. The best thing about this is you're getting like a 2-in-1. So this connection that you have with not only envisioning your goals, but then believing it and seeing it and just practicing that routine of affirmations and manifesting the life that you want to live, make vision boards one of the most key important projects I would highly recommend when it comes to your affirmation journey.